Decision. First, apologies for arriving late. No excuse because I was here in the office. So, Your Excellency, Ambassador, People's Republic of China, Madam Ambassador Wang Wenli, all Parliament, ministers, members of government, members of committee court, ladies to celebrate the Spring Festival, the Chinese New Year, a festivity that brings together hundreds of millions of people across the world. Allow me to begin by expressing my sincere gratitude to Her Excellency Ambassador Wang Wenli for having anticipated this celebration and for her generosity in extending this festivity to all friends of Chinese culture in Timor-Leste, both national and foreign citizens residing in our country. I would also like to extend a word of appreciation to the staff and volunteers of the Embassy of the Republic of China in Timor-Leste, as well as to all members of the organizing committee, especially the artists and culture groups who will delight us with their performances of dance, song, music in honor of Chinese New Year that now begins. This gathering dedicated to, quote, experiencing the beauty to the appreciation cultural diversity that unites our people. According to the solar calendar of Eastern astrology, 2026 begins under the influence of the Yang Fire Force, a sign associated with movement, courage, leadership, and profound transformation. The force symbolizes progress, dynamism, and freedom. The Yang Fire element represents vitality, clarity of purpose, and decisive action. Together they point to a year of positive acceleration in which responsible boldness, optimism, strategic vision will be essential to face challenges and create new opportunities. It is a favorable year to accelerate the structural projects, strengthen regional and international partnerships, and promote a dynamic result-oriented work culture, while preserving the values of solidarity, social cohesion, community harmony, and mutual respect that characterize our people. At the level of individuals, families, and communities, 2026 invites confidence, overcoming of fears, and affirmation of talents. It is a cycle favorable to education, professional training, the creation of economic opportunity, and the strengthening of community spirit. Timor-Leste shares a common historical heritage with China, forged over centuries of commercial exchanges, particularly in sandalwood and the other wood that was sent to southern China through Macau. The heritage remains alive in successive generations of Chinese citizens who chose Timor-Leste to establish their families and who, even today, continue to serve our country as a nation of welcome, resident opportunity, and lasting partnership. Citizens of Chinese origin who have integrated peacefully with mutual benefits, creating businesses, commerce, and industries. They are esteemed, active, and committed citizens, present in government, state institutions, educational institutions, civil society organizations, private sector, where prominent entrepreneurs of Chinese origin stand out for their significant contributions to the country's economic, social, and cultural development, as well as to its prosperity. With the restoration of independence, we have also welcomed new citizens workers, entrepreneurs of Chinese origin who have contributed decisively to the construction of roads, bridges, electricity, water, sanitation networks, and other fundamental infrastructure for national progress. They also contribute to economic diversification, agriculture, trade, commercial exchanges, create networks of communication, contact, partnership, in line with the spirit of One Belt, One Road towards a new maritime Silk Road of friendship, connectivity, and cooperation that we wish to continue strengthening. China was among the first countries to recognize Timor-Leste independence and has walked alongside us through the challenges and achievements of our national history. We have elevated this relationship to the level of comprehensive strategic partnership underpinned by concrete cooperation in areas such as infrastructure, agriculture, digital economy, education, innovation, connectivity, and people-to-people exchange, all fundamental to national development and the well-being of our people. At a time when hundreds of millions of citizens and families of Chinese culture and are celebrating the Spring Festival, generating the largest human movement on a global scale, I take this opportunity to express my profound gratitude to His Excellency President Xi Jinping, to the government, companies, and People's Republic of China for your support, generosity, and contribution over the past 24 years of the restoration of Timor-Leste independence. I would like to extend very special thanks to the doctors of the Chinese Medical Brigade, as well as the entrepreneurs and workers who every day contribute to the modernization, health development, and well-being of our country. May the year of force bring courage, progress, new opportunities, and joy to every home. Xinyan, Wai Le, Wong Shi Fakai. Thank you very much. I hope that my Mandarin passed the test. 谢谢。
谢谢。谢谢。
感谢总统的精彩致辞。下面有请王大使上台致辞，掌声欢迎。
Obrigado, Sua Excelência, pela oportunidade pura. Sua irmã me convida a embaixadora Wang para a torre de discurso. Fazendo pensar.
Okay.
尊敬的阿尔塔总统，尊敬的费尔南达议长，尊敬的总检察长尼尔奥莱，尊敬的本迪克外长，尊敬的包容事务部长，各位议员和政府官员，使团的同仁们、女士们、先生们、朋友们，大家晚上好。
Your Excellency President José Ramos Horta, Your Excellency Maria Fernanda Ley, President of National Parliament, Your Excellency Vice Prime Minister, Your Excellency Prosecutor General Nelson, Minister of Foreign Affairs and Cooperation, Mr. Benito dos Santos Ricas, all members of National Parliament and Government, colleagues from Diplomatic Corps, fellow Chinese compatriots, ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, good evening.
中国农历马年新春来临之际，我们在此举办春节文化活动，共同迎接中华民族最隆重的节日——春节的到来。我谨代表中国驻东帝汶大使馆，对各位嘉宾的欢迎远道而来的广西自治区艺术团，感谢总统府的大力支持和所做工作。
As the Chinese New Year of the Horse approaches, we gather here for this cultural gala jointly honored in the Chinese Spring Festival, the most significant traditional holiday of the Chinese nation. On behalf of the Chinese Embassy in Timor-Leste, I would like to extend a warm welcome to all our distinguished guests. Special welcome goes to the art group from Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region who have come from afar. I also wish to express our gratitude to the Presidential Palace for its strong support and efforts in making this event possible.
春节是中华民族最古老、最重要的传统节日，传承着和平、和睦、和谐的理念，承载着家庭和睦、社会包容、人与自然和谐共生等全人类共同价值。如今，春节已被列入人类非物质文化遗产名录，全球近20个国家，包括8个东盟国家，将其定为法定节假日。
The Chinese Spring Festival is the oldest and most important traditional festival of the Chinese nation, carrying forward the values of peace, amity, and harmony. It embodies common values of humanity, including family harmony, social inclusiveness, and harmony between man and nature. Today, the Chinese Spring Festival has been inscribed on the UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage List. Nearly 20 countries worldwide, including 8 ASEAN member states, have designated it as a statutory holiday.
中国与东帝汶交往历史悠久，东帝汶人口中有2%的华人。今天有近6000名中国公民在东帝汶工作和生活。
About 2% of Timor-Leste's population are of Chinese descent. In recent years, nearly 6,000 Chinese citizens work and live in Timor-Leste.
随着中东关系不断深化，春节日益走进东帝汶社会生活，地利街头年味儿越来越浓，这是春节文化融入当地多元文化的生动体现。也折射出两国人民交往日益密切，民心不断加深。通过今天的活动，感受到中国的春节文化、春节习俗和春节传统，同中国人民一道享受春节的快乐、喜庆氛围。
As China-Timor-Leste relations continue to deepen, the Chinese Spring Festival has increasingly become part of the social fabric of Timor-Leste. The festive Chinese New Year atmosphere is growing ever stronger on the streets of Dili. This vividly reflects the integration of Chinese Spring Festival culture into the local diverse culture and showcases the increasing close people-to-people exchanges and deepening mutual understanding between our two peoples. Through today's event, I hope the Timorese people will experience the culture, customs, and traditions of the Chinese Spring Festival in person and join the Chinese people in enjoying this joyful and festive spirit.
在刚刚过去的2025年，中共20届四中全会胜利召开，通过了15五规划建议，明确要扩大高水平对外开创合作共赢的新局面。中国经济比上年增长5%，国内生产总值首次跃上140万亿新台阶，对世界经济增长贡献率继续保持在30%左右，成为全球发展的主要推动力。
In the past year of 2025, the fourth plenary session of the 20th Central Committee of the Communist Party of China was successfully convened. It adopted the proposal for the 15th five-year plan, outlining to expand high-standard opening up and forge a new phase of win-win cooperation. China's economy grew by 5% last year, with its GDP exceeding 140 trillion yuan for the first time, marking a new milestone. China's contribution to global economic growth remained at around 30%, continuing to serve as a primary engine for global development.
面对加速演进的百年变局，习近平主席提出全球治理倡议，中国向世界贡献出又一重大的公共产品。
Facing an accelerating major transformation in the century, President Xi Jinping has put forward the Global Governance Initiative, offering but another major public good to the world.
中国不仅幅员辽阔，而且民族众多， 今天参加文艺演出的广西壮族自治区是中国5个少数民族自治区之一，地处中国西南边陲，既有享誉世界的自然景观，也有多姿多彩的民族文化，源远流长的历史沉淀。
China is not only a vast country, but also one with various ethnic groups. Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region, whose artist group will perform for us today, is one of China's 5 ethnic minority autonomous regions. Located in southwest China, Guangxi boasts world-renowned natural landscape, a rich and diverse ethnic culture, and a profound historical heritage.
广西还是中国东盟博览会永久举办地，继2004年起已经举办过23届东博会，有力促进了中国与东盟国家间的交流合作，也为东帝汶咖啡等产品文化走出去打开了一扇窗户。希望更多东帝汶朋友认识广西，了解广西，为下阶段广西与东帝汶开展更广泛、更务实交流合作打下基础。
Guangxi is also the permanent host of the China-ASEAN Expo, also known as the Car Expo. Since its inception in 2004, 23 sessions of Car Expo have been held, significantly promoting exchanges and cooperation between China and ASEAN countries. It has also opened a window for Timorese culture and Timorese products like coffee to reach the wider world. I hope more Timorese friends will come to know and learn about Guangxi, laying a solid foundation for broader and more profitable exchanges and cooperation between Guangxi and Timor-Leste.
2026年是中国农历马年，马在中国文化中象征着力量、勤奋、拼搏和进取。
The year 2026 is the Chinese. The horse symbolizes strength, diligence, tenacity, and progress.
新的一年，中国驻东帝汶大使馆愿与东社会各界一道，以一马当先的精神，持续巩固中东关系高水平运行，推动两国务实合作项目，为在东同胞做好服务保障工作。
In the new year, the Chinese embassy in Timor-Leste, with the pioneering spirit of the horse, stands ready to work with all sectors of Timor-Leste to consolidate the high-level development of China-Timor-Leste's relations, to advance practical cooperation projects between our two countries, and to enhance services and support for overseas Chinese in Timor-Leste.
水在中国文化中是财运的象征。春节来临之际，我也代表中国驻东帝汶大使馆给大家拜个早年，祝大家新的一年里身体健康、阖家幸福、马到成功。
Water in Chinese culture is a symbol for wealth. As the Chinese Spring Festival approaches, I wish, on behalf of the Chinese Embassy in Timor-Leste, to extend my best New Year wishes to you all in advance. May you enjoy good health, family happiness, and success in the new year of the horse.
谢谢大家。
Thank you all.
感谢王大使的精彩致辞。
Obrigada ao embaixadora pela vossa mensagem.
广西位于中国西南边陲，是面向东盟开放的前沿。这里有绚丽的壮乡风情、深厚的历史底蕴和秀美的山水风光。
Guangxi, uma província idealizada, localiza em região fronteira sudoeste Ninian, em linha orientada Biblioteca Baafea. Rainei a cultura étnica Zhuang, neve vibrante, o patrimônio histórico neve clean, uma paisagem natural neve pura.
今天来自广西的演出团队将为大家献上一场充满中国传统文化和巴贵特色的精彩演出，让我们以热烈的掌声欢迎他们的到来。
Ang lorong grupo apresentação Ida Musik Guangxi se apresenta espetáculo por aqui da Nebena Pono cultura tradicional chinesa, no característica único sira Husirai Guangxi. Mai, kita simu sira ho basa lima makas.
接下来，请欣赏舞蹈表演《广西尼比亚》。
Guangxi é paisagem pura com cultura étnica vibrante, no patrimônio cultural ibérico, e aliança ético Zhuang, Nidia significa pura, exclamação elogia berbuat pura sira. Mai, kita assiste a moto dança Guangxi Nidia, no senti hodomi, debe klean, debe ema Guangxi, no ema China, ihal basira niat nuarasi. Mai, kita basalino makalas ka performance.
接下来，请欣赏歌曲演唱《山歌好比春江水》。
Danza na vida bem assistimos untuk permite kita tu senti energia vibrante Guangxi ini. Iha Guangxi China, iha legenda pura kita. Cantora folk Liu Sanjie expressa amore soni nanano sira, nanano comunia leve suling hanesang morta. Mai, kita assiste untuk música mountain songs are like spring river water, pusi honi kolega sang batinampong miang mai tahoto.